Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhbr.com or call 541-884-1343. Super clean and tidy 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home in the suburbs with a great floor plan and bunches of updates already done. Home is almost 1,400 square and boasts wood laminate flooring and tile throughout, fresh interior and exterior paint, granite countertops, gas fireplace insert surrounded by a beautiful built-in mantel, newer stainless steel appliances, an attached garage with extra long parking space as well as a carport in the driveway that stays. Front and backyards both have wonderful decks, and the entire lot is fully fenced. Peach, pear, and apple fruit trees planted a couple years ago in the front yard, and backyard has access from the easement running along the property line to the back of the lot. This house gives off such a comfortable feeling and would make a great home for many buyer types. It is a must-see, inside and out.